that's why there are problems. So we need to learn how to know attention experientially. Then central attention, it is when attention is directed to object of sense stimuli that are physical present. Like these are when physical attentions, like physical, when attention is directed to physicalness. And then there's an intellectual attention. It's like the attention directed to ideas, represent objects, stimuli that are not physically present